What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working up with this homepage. Okay, I'm gonna design exactly this homepage, but that will be under my control since I cannot edit this homepage, but I want to make a homepage that I can edit. Come on. Okay, what I'm gonna do right now, so first of all, what we have to do is that we need to go to the all pages right now, and I just need to keep this page open as a reference for myself. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to home right here. I'm just gonna click edit. Okay, and then here I am just going to click the template, and that will be full width. That's all. Okay, let's just hit update, and let's just open this page up. Okay, so let's just bring this right here, so you can see this is our homepage right now, and this is our homepage right now. Okay, and now here we'll be working up with this. So let's just go ahead and let's come here. First, what we need is that we need to come here to screen options to see how much things that we can work with. So we can go to the columns and two columns and everything. Okay, let's just come here. First thing what I want to do right now is that I want to show the shop by category page. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna click here, and now here I want to add a heading. So that will be shop by category. Okay, I want to align this to center. Okay, this is here. I want to go down, and now here I want to show the products. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna go to the products right here. Okay, and sorry, the product category. So I just want to show the category that I want. So let's come here, and let's come here. And I don't want to show all the categories. I just want to show these two categories. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna click here, and now I want to add this. So you can see this is right here, and now here I want to come here, and I want to choose the ID. So you can see that you can just work with the product on the ID's base. Okay, so if I just go down, and then you can see that this is how it's gonna work. So if you can see, will display a specified product category. Sorry, yes, a display a specified product category. So I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna go to this one right here. Let's go to the product categories page. Let's open this page up. Okay, so this might be so confusing to you, but you will understand it. Okay, so now here I want to show the t-shirts first. So I want to grab the ID of this t-shirt. Okay, how I'm gonna do this, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna open this up, and you can see that it says product category and tag ID is equals to 17. Okay, I'm just gonna come here. I'm just gonna add it like ID is equals to 17. Okay, let's add this. Let's add this. Let's hit update, and let's have a look at our page. So is this working, or we have made a mistake? Shop by category is totally up and running, but this page is not coming. So we cannot add it like this. So for product category, we have to go down. Okay, so I did a change. Basically what I did is that I add product categories, and then I add IDs. Okay, so this is how it's work. So I just make it plural, so you have to make it plural in order for this to work. Okay, and now we want to add the accessories here. Okay, so I want to add the accessories, and this ID is 15. I want to add a comma here, and this will be 15. I need one more comma, and this will be the hoodies itself. This is 16. Okay, let's come here and let's add 16. Okay, let's just hit update right now, and let's have a look at our website. So you can see these two are right coming here. The other one is not coming, and the reason is that we haven't added any of the product in the accessories. If we add any product in the accessories and this count is 1, then this category will appear. Otherwise it will not appear. Okay, so you can see this is totally done. Okay, I want to show only 3 columns or 2 columns, ULU, M, and S. Okay, and this will be set to 2. Okay, so now it will show only 2 of the column, and it will be set to 2. So if I just come here and I refresh this, you will see this will be bigger, and we have 2 categories only up and running. Okay, now we have the next section, and that is new in. Okay, so this will show the recent products. Basically, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna enter here. Let's add one more space, and let's add a heading. So I want the heading, and this will be new in. Okay, I want to bring this to center, and I want to show the new products that are recently added. So I'm gonna come here. I'm just gonna come here, and I want to show the product. The order by would be date, and the order would be descending. So that is why. So that then it will show the recent products. So let's come here. Let's come here, and we need to add the product. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the shortcodes right here. I want to show the products. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna paste it. Okay. So what I want to do show right now, this will be the order by would be is equals to, and the order would be is equals to. So let's just come here, and we want to, okay, let's just close these tabs. Okay, we want to show the order by would be the date. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit order by would be set to date. Okay, and the order would be descending. So let's come here, and let's see, this is the DESC. Okay, so now you can see that if I just come here and I just hit update, okay, so you can see this is done right here. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna refresh my page to see if this is running or not. Okay, this is running. Okay, this is showing all the recent products. If I just come here, you can see we just want to stop it till 4. Okay, but this is not stopping it on 4 section. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit limit. Okay, just add the limit. Let's just check if the limit is fine. Okay, yes, the limit is this. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna add a limit. So limit is going to be 4. Okay, let's hit update, and let's just come here. Let's just refresh this, and here you go. You can see the limit is now 4. If I want to add 5 column here, I can also add the column here. So I can just add it like columns. Okay, and then I want to add the column to be 5, and I want the limit to be 5, so that it should show 5 products in one single line. Okay, let's come here and let's refresh this, and here we go. This is like this. So you can see that we can do the customization without even buying the pro version, guys. Okay, so the pro version will let you do this in the customize section, but we can do the customize without even touching that. Okay, so now we have, let's come here, and we have on sale products. We want to come here to the shortcodes. Okay, and now we have to show the on sale products. So the on sale products would be sale products. Okay, let's come here, let's copy this, let's come here, and let's add a gapping. Okay, I want to add a heading. This will be on sale. Okay, I want to align this to center. Let's go down, let's paste this. Let's just hit update, and it's going to show all the sale products that we have. So here we go. But I want to limit this to 4 so that it doesn't show all the sale products. Okay, I want to limit this to 4 so that it should show only 4 products. So if we add in future more sale products, then it will not go beyond that. Okay, so we will just limit the 4 products. Okay, this is exactly same. Now here we want the best sellers. So best sellers mean like popular, so you can show the best selling products. Like the popular products will be coming here. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna add this. Okay, and now I'm gonna come here. Okay, so we have a different code for recent products, but you can just order it by date, and then you can just order it by descending. So it totally depends on how you want to order it. And you can also show the best selling products by the order by the popularity, the number of purchases. So you can also show the best selling products by the order by the number of popularity. So you can just come here to the products. Okay, you have to just come here to the order by, and then you have to select the popularity, and then you have to select the order to be the ascending. So it will be defaultly ascending. So let's just, either you can come and copy this, or either you can just use this one, but I will be going up with this one so that it is understandable to you guys and we have more customization. So I'm gonna come here, I am going to add one more. let's go down, and we want to add the bestsellers. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna add the heading. Okay, and this will be aligned to center. So I'm gonna add best sellers. Okay, and now below I want to add this products. Okay, and the order by would be is equals to the popularity. So popularity means the number of purchases. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit popularity. Okay, and now here the order would be ascending because it should show like the most number of products that has the sale on top. So I'm gonna choose ASC, but this is defaultly ASC, so you don't have to mention it here, but I am just showing it so that it should show the bestseller. Okay, so you can also show it like non-bestseller, and then you can choose the ESC. So let's come here and let's refresh this, and you will see that the best-selling products will be coming here. Okay, so we have to limit this to 4. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna hit limit is equals to, and then let's add 4. So let's hit update, and you can see that we should be matching this bestseller, and everything should be totally same with this. So you can see best selling is this, and this is also exactly same. So this is how it works, guys. You have now designed this homepage exactly same as this one, and you did not even bought that pro version. Okay, so you can also add more things. You can also add a product attribute. You can also add top rated products. Okay, if I just add one more, then you can also add a top rated product. So I'm just gonna come here and I want to add, but since we don't have any of the top rated products, that is why we cannot add it. When we will be working up with the reviews, then after the reviews you can work with that. Okay, so let's just add these one into sale as well, so that they should come here in the on sale products, and this should fill. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit edit product. Okay, this is our affiliate product. I'm gonna go down, and I want this to be sale on 15 bucks. Okay, let's come here and let's hit update. Same like this, I want one more product to be added onto sale products, so that will be this one. Quick edit, and here the sale price is going to be 15. Let's hit update. Okay, and let's have a look at our site now. We have new in, we have our on sale, we have our bestseller. So this whole page is totally up and running, and everything is coming here. So now we are totally done with our website. You can see that we have designed our homepage, and now in the next video I'll show you that how can you work with like the checkout options, how a person can come to our website, and then how he can work with this. So we cannot work with this homepage, we cannot bring this to center. Okay, we cannot do this, okay, because this is the title and we cannot edit it. This is one thing that we cannot do, but the rest of the things we have already done, guys. Okay, so we can go with the Elementor. We can also add the Elementor plugin into here, and then we can also edit it with this, but we have edited manually. Okay, so I'll show you that how can you work with the Elementor plugin, okay, and build your own website in the upcoming section that will be the S6.complete WP course, where we will build a professional based website. Okay, so now we're done with this. In the next video we'll review our website. We'll learn that how a person, an anonymous person, can buy from our website, and then how he can work with it. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video we'll be working up with that. Goodbye.